This is starting to remind me of late last summer. Remember when Shiba Inu consolidated for months and months? And it was very quiet. But what happened after the months of consolidation? A major breakout for SHIB. Is SHIB primed for another major breakout? Is it coming soon? Well, we're going to talk about it because there are some indicators when we look at the technical analysis side of things that show us SHIB is primed to break out. Especially all of it hinges on the overall market and really Ethereum, with SHIB being an ERC20 token. But it feels like SHIB is getting ready to pop off. If we look at the last 3 months, it has been trading in a relatively tight range, aside from its dip back in June. So let's dive in. Make sure you hammer the like button. It's the best way to give back. It's totally free to do. It's the only way that you can help us grow together here on YouTube. So make sure you hammer the like button for us. Here's the article I wanted to talk about. For SHIB, a breakout is coming. Here's the where of it all. This is published just 12 hours ago. And it says here, as the EMA moving average ribbons overstretched while looking south, sellers pulled SHIB towards that 0.00738 zone following the previous bear run. That's the 50 and 7 range. The multi-yearly support aided the buying efforts to propel a much-needed bullish flip on the ribbons. Now we're back trading in that 12 range where we've been kind of situated at for quite some time, right? And we're up about 5% right now at the time of this recording, which is good. Overall, crypto market is pulling up nicely. But this is your daily chart. You could see here that it's trading in a very, very tight range. Look at that. That is consolidation at its finest there. And it says here the altcoin's recent growth witnessed a classic back and forth between the buyers and sellers in the point of control. This is the high liquidity mark ensured flatter peaks for over 7 weeks now. So it's been really consolidating for over a month, almost 2 months at this point. So it says here, given the ascending triangle setup, and we talked about this recently, alongside the bullish flip on the EMA ribbons, SHIB could be on the brighter side of a potential breakout. The targets would remain the same as discussed. However, the alt shares a 90% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Hence, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with the overall market sentiment would be essential for making a profitable move. Everything always comes back to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we'll have to see. This 12 range has been very, very tough for SHIB to break out of. If we go into the 3-month, you could see it right here. We got really close up to the 1286 here. Here's a peak of 1181. Back in here, we got into the high 11s. Here's into the 12s back in May. Even back in here, we actually spiked up into the 13s momentarily back in May after a big reversal. But overall, we've been trading kind of in this tight range for the past 3 months, and we'll have to continue to see what happens next. There you can really see the consolidation starting to form in the 1 year. But you can see if we go all to the alt chart, look at what we had before the big breakout last year. It was that long period of consolidation. We are starting to get that form right now. Okay. So could this be primed to make a major move to the upside? I think so. When it'll come, I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but my bags are packed. I'm ready. The thing is, too, SHIB's back in the top 15. And if crypto continues to move higher here, SHIB is notoriously been known as a fast mover. So right now we're up 5% in the last 24 hours, but we could quickly gain some ground with Shiba Inu. Even in the past 3 months, we saw it go up 45% in a day out of nowhere, really, on the heels of no big news. It's just buyers came in and we see retail money, FOMO in behind it pretty quickly with SHIB. And there aren't a lot of assets like it in that regard. When it gets moving in a hurry. So I'm ready whenever that time comes. The technicals are showing that it could be around the corner. A lot of it will hinge on the overall crypto market, but a breakout could be in store as Shiba Inu continues to consolidate around that 12 zone and people slowly are accumulating as well. We're gaining new holders. It's looking pretty solid right now around SHIB and around crypto. Let me know what you think about all this down below. As always, I appreciate you stopping by. And I'll see you all in the next video.